In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix inactive conversions in Google Ads. If your conversions show as inactive, it usually means your Google Ads tag isn't firing correctly across your site. The fix is to make sure the base tag is installed site-wide and is being detected by Google Ads. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a clear, simple way. Start by opening your Google Ads account. At the top of the screen, select the Tools icon. From there, choose Data Manager. This is where Google centralizes your tagging setup so you can see what's installed, what's missing, and whether your tag is active. Inside Data Manager, click Manage. Then open the installation instructions for adding the tag to your website. You'll see an option to select platform. Click that and choose the platform your site uses. If your platform appears in the list, follow the on-screen prompts. The goal here is straightforward. Ensure the base tag is added site-wide so every page can send data back to the Google Ads. That means the tag needs to load on all pages, not just a landing or thank you page. If your platform supports publishing directly from the instructions, proceed and publish. Once published, the tag will begin collecting data for your conversions. If you prefer to install manually or your platform isn't listed, choose the manual option. Copy the provided base code and paste it into your site's global header so it loads on every page. In most site builders or CMS themes, that's the header template or a global settings area for custom code. Be sure you add it once, site-wide, and save or publish your changes. After you've added the tag, return to Data Manager to confirm the tag status. Give it a moment to process, then refresh the page. When the tag shows as active, your conversions should move out of an inactive status automatically as traffic hits your site. If you don't see active right away, double-check that the code is in the global header, not just a single page, and that your site changes are published. Caching or a delayed publish can slow down detection, so allowing a short window and refreshing can help. That's it. By using Data Manager to access the installation instructions, selecting your platform, or installing manually, placing the base tag in the global header so it fires site-wide, and confirming status back in Google Ads, you'll resolve inactive conversions and restore accurate tracking.